Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2010 Mazda 3 Sport. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 2.5 four-cylinder with 165 horsepower and 167 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. 10 leather interior, 6-speed manual, sunroof, rear spoiler, Mazda3 2.5 badging, Bose sound system, power windows, memory seats, power seats. Opening up the trunk. Plenty of trunk space, a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Steering wheel controls. Media display, hard keys for media display. Dual climate controls, heated seats, cup holders. This Mazda 3 has 116,780 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mazda 3 Sport, check out feldmanimports.com.